Status.
Bodyguard.
Commander.
Rico.
Mission.
Mission. We're going to war.
Welcome to the Toys of War, a concise review of some of the modern trends in military research, military hardware, and the latest developments in military industry.
The Next Generation Tactical Vehicle Hybrid, NGTV-H, is a prototype developed by General Motors Defense to modernize the U.S. Army's tactical fleet. Based on the Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HDZR2 platform, the NGTV-H integrates a 2.8-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine with an electric battery system, producing approximately 300 kilowatt-hours of power and featuring a 15-gallon fuel tank. This hybrid configuration offers silent mobility and reduced thermal signatures, enhancing stealth operations. The vehicle also provides exportable power to support soldier equipment and tactical systems. In January 2025, the NGTV-H underwent operational testing with the U.S. Army's 3rd Brigade, 10th Mountain Division, during the combined Resolve 25-1 exercise in Germany, where it was evaluated in various operational settings, including snowy Bavarian terrain. The NGTV-H is part of the Army's broader strategy to integrate emerging technologies for improved situational awareness and operational effectiveness. Its hybrid electric powertrain not only reduces reliance on fossil fuels, but also enables silent drive and extended silent watch capabilities, eliminating the noise and heat signatures associated with traditional diesel engines. The vehicle's design allows for potential retrofitting of existing tactical vehicles into hybrid electric versions, offering an affordable path to electrification without compromising performance or protection. The NGTV-H represents a significant advancement in the U.S. Army's efforts to modernize its tactical capabilities, addressing the challenges of contemporary and future battlefields. Raytheon, a prominent aerospace and defense company, has developed the Phantom Strike radar, a compact, lightweight, and cost-effective active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar system. Weighing less than 150 pounds and utilizing an innovative air-cooled design, Phantom Strike offers advanced radar capabilities at approximately half the cost of traditional fire control radars. The development of Phantom Strike leverages Raytheon's extensive experience in radar technology, incorporating gallium nitride components and a unique air-cooled system. These features contribute to its reduced size, weight, and power consumption compared to previous AESA radars. Phantom Strike is designed for versatility, capable of integration onto various platforms, including light attack aircraft, rotary wing aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, and stationary installations. Its open mission systems architecture facilitates easy upgrades, ensuring long-term operational relevance. Raytheon expects to begin initial deliveries of Phantom Strike in 2026, with potential deployment across U.S. and allied military forces. The radar's affordability and adaptability make it an attractive option for enhancing situational awareness and targeting capabilities across multiple platforms. Kongsberg Maritime, in collaboration with the Norwegian Defence Research Establishment, FFI, developed the Hugin Autonomous Underwater Vehicle, AUV, renowned for its advanced artificial intelligence, AI, capabilities that enable fully autonomous underwater operations. Equipped with a comprehensive suite of sensors, the Hugin AUV includes synthetic aperture sonar, HESA's 1032 dual receiver, multi-beam echo sounders, EM2040 Mk2, high-definition cameras, laser profilers, sub-bottom profilers, magnetometers, and environmental sensors for detecting methane, carbon dioxide, and oxygen levels. In April 2024, Kongsberg Discovery successfully conducted in-water demonstrations of the Hugin AUV for the U.S. Defense Innovation Unit and the U.S. Navy, showcasing its advanced capabilities. Following these demonstrations, Kongsberg delivered the first Hugin Superior AUV to the U.S. Navy, marking a significant milestone in enhancing underwater operational capabilities. The integration of AI and a diverse array of sensors allows the Hugin AUV to perform complex missions autonomously, including geophysical surveys, mine countermeasures, and environmental monitoring, thereby reducing the need for human intervention and increasing operational efficiency. South Korea's Low Observable Unmanned Wingman System, LOAS, program, initiated in 2021 by the Agency for Defense Development, ADD, and Korean Air Aerospace, aims to enhance the Republic of Korea Air Force's, ROCAF, operational capabilities through advanced unmanned aerial technology. The first prototype was unveiled on February 25, 2025, at the Korean Air Tech Center in Busan, marking a significant milestone in the nation's defense advancements. Designed for seamless integration with crewed fighter jets, particularly the KF-21 Borame, the LOAS drone can autonomously perform reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and strike missions. It also operates under direct control from piloted aircraft, exemplifying manned-unmanned teaming concepts. This capability allows the drone to undertake air-to-ground missions, enabling the KF-21 to maintain a safer distance while leveraging its air-to-air missiles and advanced sensors. The drone's design features a trapezoidal fuselage, sharply swept wings, a V-tail, and an overhead air intake, resembling the American XQ-58A Valkyrie. It includes an electro-optical sensor mounted under the nose and plans for integrating an active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, and a domestically developed engine. These features ensure a reduced radar cross-section and enhanced stealth capabilities. Beyond the KF-21, LOAS could be integrated with the FA-50 light combat aircraft, produced by Korea Aerospace Industries (KAI), enhancing its operational capabilities. The program's timeline includes a first flight planned by the end of 2025, with manned-unmanned teaming tests continuing until 2027. This schedule aims for full integration of the LOAS within the ROCAF, enhancing the nation's defense posture and showcasing South Korea's commitment to developing advanced unmanned aerial systems.
If you find information in this video interesting, please like and subscribe.